When starting a new project, you have to do something called creating a project folder. A project folder is a group of folders with a very simple Maya script or a Mel script that helps Maya organize your scenes, your renders, your textures, and a lot more. You should do this at the start of every new project that you are doing. To make a Maya project, come up to File and come down to Project Window. This will open up your project window, and I'm going to hit New. It will default to New Project. I'm just going to call this Test Project. It might default to the Maya default folder, which is in Documents, Maya, and Projects. You can save it there, or you can save it onto your desktop and then organize it later. You want to make sure that you don't change anything in this window other than your current project name and the location, and then hit Accept. After hitting Accept, it won't look any different in Maya, but if you minimize it, you will find a new folder on your desktop, and inside of it, you will have a bunch of default folders with a workspace Mel script. It's very important that you do not delete, rename, or move anything in this folder. All of your scenes will automatically be saved to your scenes folder. Any textures you have for your scene, you should put in your source images folder, and all of your renders will be saved to images. We won't be using all of these folders, but it's best to keep them just in case. Back in Maya, you start out and do a save scene or save scene as. It should default to your test project or whatever project name you gave it in the scenes folder. I'm going to give my file a name, and where it says files of type, this is what file extension you can use. Maya has two, a Maya ASCII and a Maya binary. Please use a Maya ASCII file. And then hit save. And you're ready to work on your project. Everything you do for this project should be saved into that folder. The next time you open Maya, if you're working in the same project, it will default to the previous project that you have set. If you are working on multiple projects or going to a different computer and you bring the project folder with you, you'll have to tell Maya what project folder you want to use. To do so, come up to File and Set Project. Find your project, double click on it so you see all of these folders and the Mel script, and then hit Set. Now when I go to Open, it will default to the Scenes folder in that current project that I just set.